Hey guys, so I did a video recently about installing these tire studs. The previous year when I had these studs installed, I actually mounted them a bit further into the tire. But when I went to make the video, I figured it was a good idea to actually read the user manual and install them properly according to the manufacturer's specifications, right? Because I didn't want to make any mistakes in the video. So I figured last year I may have probably mounted them a bit too far into the tire. So in the video that you may have seen, I installed them as per what I read in the user manual. But that was wrong actually. So I don't know if I read the wrong user manual or if I have the wrong tool according to the user manual. So my initial install, which I didn't film, was actually randomly the correct way. And that's kind of what my intuition said, to mount them that far. But regardless, I figured I'd do a video and try to correct the previous video that I've made. Now, I ran these tires with the studs installed the way that I showed in that previous video, and I didn't lose any, and it seemed completely fine. But I did notice that some of these studs had kind of bent a little bit. So it does seem like they don't have proper support when they're that far out. Let me show you how to properly install them, and of course read the user manual that comes with the studs that you buy. But if you notice any discrepancies, like it doesn't seem right, then maybe this method is the right way for you as well. Because in my case, the user manual didn't correspond to the proper way of doing this. Now, I've already gone around all the tires and screwed them in a bit further. So this is the proper depth here, but I'll show you. So this is of course one of the larger studs right here. Let me get a tool. It's going to be better to show you. This tip right here, from about this point, from this ledge here and out, is the stud itself, right? And this is hardened regular steel here. And this is a tungsten tip. And that tip goes all the way through down to here, I think about. And so when you install them, what will happen is you'll wear out this regular steel or hardened steel here. And then the tungsten tip will wear slower. And this is set up in a way that the stud itself will wear with the tire, right? So that there's always tungsten protruding. This area right here needs support from the tire. And when I install them down to about here, to when the tool touches. So this line right here is basically where you're aiming for. If you're going too far, then you're losing a bit of the stud here. But at least, to about here. So I'll show you that. I'll install a stud here. The user manual that I read said to drive the stud in until the tool touches the tire. So that would be just about right here. And that would leave all of this outside of the tire. So I'm going to drive this stud in to about here. So some of the tool will go into the tire here, but I'll show you what that will look like. We just put a stud right here, I guess. And the other things I said are still correct. You should put as much pressure on here as you can and then drive it slowly in. And there you have it. This is how it's supposed to be mounted. You're not going to get it perfect. So you can see there's tiny bit more protruding right here, and as you can see, I have a stud right there that I've been driving with, and it's protruding a lot more than the one we installed just now. But this is completely fine. As you can see, I've been driving on this. It's completely sturdy inside the tire here. Nothing has happened to it. And you can also see one here that's protruding a bit more, and it too has been completely fine. And here's another one, also completely fine. So I made a pinned comment on my previous video where we installed these studs, and it is actually my best performing video, which is kind of a double-edged sword. But I will leave a link to this video in that comment and also in the description of the main video. And hopefully any of you who are looking to install these studs and maybe have bought them on Amazon with my links, I'll leave those links in the description here as well, so you can go check it out. But I hope that clears things up a bit, and I'm sorry for any confusion. If you did install them as I did in the previous video, you should be fine, but go back and drive them just a little bit further into the tire. That just alleviates any issues about them falling out or getting bent and stuff like that. So yeah, that's all I have for you in this video. I hope this cleared things up a bit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, the sun is killing me here. I need to rest my eyes a bit. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.